For you, it's not about the view. It's not about the progress or the skill. It's all of it. You live for the adventure, the growth, to do it your way. Connected by the calloused hand, the dirt, the gentle touch. The same hands that bear the strain, nurture, connect, and build. You work, persevere, and maintain the pace, a rhythm of creation. You desire to go and grow, a will to do more, finish more, learn more. For the new hands, the soft hands, and the experienced ones, live hands-on with Kaufmann. Available online at kaufmann-sa.co.za and selected stores nationwide.